Women, we teach girls more than boys to do work at home. We teach girls to clean a house, wash the plates, wash the clothes. What about boys? Even a boy child, you can teach him to clean a house, wash the plates, even to do garden. You know that other women, they can hire people from outside, but they have got boy child who is 16 years, 15 years, 18 years. That boy is sleeping on his room. Only he is doing is to sleep, go to the kitchen and eat and come and sleep without doing anything at home. Because a boy child who is 20, 21, they finished even on universities. They are finished. So you have to teach your boy child to do garden work, to do some of the jobs at home, to fix the door. You are paying people who are fixing your doors, but you have got a boy child who's supposed to do all those things. We're teaching girls more than boys. And when they are married, it is a trouble to their wives now, because they can't do those jobs at their home. So it is a problem. You have to teach your boy child. Say to your boy child, go and do garden work. Even you have got a garden boy, that garden boy, you have to teach your boy child. Not that you hire a garden boy and your boy child is sleeping at his room. It doesn't work. You have to tell him, go to the garden to help the garden boy. Yes, we have got workers at home, even girls, when you have got maids at home. But you have to teach your child. Even you don't have time, tell your maid that, do job with my daughter, teach her to wash the place, how to clean a house thoroughly, very good. And especially when your house is being cleaned, your daughter is helping the housemaid. That house can be cleaned, can be more clean than a housemaid is doing on her own. So women nowadays, we don't teach our kids how to do jobs at homes, especially boys. I think girls is better. Boys, they can't, especially they know that you have got two girls or one boy. It's a problem. That boy can't do anything at home. We want to treat our boys like babies, what, but it's a problem when they are married. Their wives are complaining that my husband can't help me even to cook or to do garden work, to fix the door. Other men, those men, they can't fix a door, to fix a light. You know, it's that job that you have to teach your child. Even you are a single mother, or fathers, they have to teach. Even their fathers, they can't do a garden work. Imagine.